The KIZILELMA is spearheaded by Baykar, one of the best Turkish technology companies in the domestic, defense industrial sector of Turkey. The concept emerged from decades of research, local manufacturing growth, and strategic policy evolution that has historically focused on in-house development of defense technologies. Developers in Turkey have pursued a design that merges aerodynamic efficiency with stealth profiles while accommodating weapons flexibility and airframe survivability. Contemporary UCAV platforms often adopt basic, lightweight shapes to maximize fuel efficiency and enhance maneuverability. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA deviates from this trend with its low-observable airframe and carefully contoured fuselage to follow the design principles of a fifth-generation stealth fighter. The KIZILELMA is much like the U.S. Air Force's and U.S. Navy's endeavors to bring a fully armed and capable fighter drone into battle alongside manned jets. Bayraktar KIZILELMA shares general design elements with other well-known global UCAV programs. Platforms like the U.S. Navy's X-47B and the Russian Su-70 clearly emphasize stealth design and combat mission tasking. Turkey is right at the top of the race with their strong domestic developers producing large numbers of drones that have already seen battlefield success and export popularity. The dedicated engineers and technicians at Baykar designed the KIZILELMA for a multi-role payload. As such, it has both an internal weapon bay for stealth-oriented missions and external hardpoints that provide flexibility when radar visibility isn't a concern. The avionics suite will use a sensor fusion of data links, electronic warfare systems, optics and other devices for threat detection as well as targeting. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA is well into its rigorous flight testing cycle, showing the world that the vision for a homegrown, unmanned fighter is very nearly a reality. Third-party defense analysts have taken notice of its quick development cycle and adaptive design philosophy. If all continues to go well, Turkey may just be the first to bring a stealth UCAV online in active service.